upcoming second week October edition of the World Textiles Journal will once again deliver news and information from Africa, Asia, Europe, and America. With me, Daniel Finnegan. It is with pleasure that I would like to share that my esteemed colleague, John AfDB, will be bringing forth the initial news from Africa.
African textile companies are striving to reduce their reliance on costly imported raw materials, backed by the African Union. High import costs, especially for cotton, are a major challenge due to Africa's limited 10% share of global cotton production. To address this, firms are boosting local raw material production through government programs and private investments, such as Ethiopia's Cotton Expansion Initiative. Innovative technologies like Nigerian companies' polyester recycling methods are also in development. This move aims to cut costs, enhance quality, and promote sustainability, benefiting both textile firms and Africa's broader economy. South African textile leader Truworths has introduced a new online store, simplifying shopping for fashion-conscious consumers. The digital platform offers a broad range of clothing, shoes, and homeware for all family members. With a user-friendly interface, customers can effortlessly navigate products by category, brand, or price. Payment options include credit cards, debit cards, and mobile wallets, with the flexibility of installment payments. Delivery is available to major South African cities, offering both home delivery and in-store pickup. This move enhances Truworths' accessibility and convenience for shoppers, offering a wide product selection, an intuitive website, versatile payment options, nationwide delivery. The African Development Bank, AfDB, has introduced the African Textile and Apparel Program, ATAP, a $100 million initiative aimed at bolstering Africa's textile and apparel sector. ATAP will provide financial resources, technical support, and mentoring to African companies in this industry to encourage expansion, global marketing, and value chain development. Africa's textile and apparel industry, a significant contributor to the continent's economy, faces challenges like rising costs and competition from imports. ATAP is designed to enhance competitiveness and sustainability, offering substantial benefits to the African economy.
Thank you, John, for sharing your valuable insights. It fills me with hope that the Africa textiles and apparel industry will continue to thrive. Now, I am thrilled to embark on a new journey in the exciting world of the American region, accompanied by my esteemed colleague, Suzanne Santana.
Thank Daniel. Brazil's textile and apparel exports to the US increased by 20% in 2022, totaling $10 billion. This growth was driven by a number of factors, including rising demand for Brazilian textiles and apparel in the US, a favorable exchange rate, and government support. Brazil's textile and apparel exports to the US are a boon to its economy. The industry, employing millions and generating billions of dollars annually, benefits from emerging trends like sustainable fashion and athleisure wear. However, challenges persist, including costly raw materials and inadequate infrastructure. Despite this, the future looks bright thanks to advantages like a skilled workforce, low labor costs, and government support. Colombia's textile and apparel industry will grow 5% in 2023 due to consumer demand, exports, and investment. It plays a vital role in the economy, employing many and generating billions in revenue. As a major exporter, it made over $10 billion in exports in 2022. The government supports industry growth with tax breaks and worker training. It also promotes Colombian textile products internationally. The industry has strengths like a skilled workforce, low labor costs, and access to key markets. Additionally, it receives support from the Colombian government. Argentina's textile and apparel industry is investing in new technologies to improve efficiency and productivity. This investment is being driven by a number of factors, including rising labor costs, competition from foreign imports, and the need to meet the demands of global consumers. Companies such as Textile de la Pampa, Indumentarias Olmedo and Tejidos Tarabuco are investing in automation, sustainability, and other new technologies to reduce their reliance on labor, improve the quality of their products, and reduce their environmental impact. This investment is helping Argentine textile and apparel companies to compete in the global market and to meet the demands of global consumers.
Thank you, Suzanne, for graciously imparting your invaluable insights. Your wise words instill in me a profound sense of optimism, assuring the prosperous growth of the South American textiles and apparel industry. With great enthusiasm, I now embark on a new, exhilarating expedition into the realms of Europe and Asia, accompanied by my esteemed colleague, Elena Iranushka.
The European textile and apparel industry is facing a major challenge due to rising energy costs. The industry is a major consumer of energy, and the rising costs are putting pressure on profit margins and making it difficult for businesses. The European Textile and Apparel Confederation has called on the European Commission and national governments to take urgent action to help the industry. This could include providing financial assistance, reducing taxes and levies on energy, and supporting the development of renewable energy sources. The rising energy costs are a major threat to the European textile and apparel industry, but there are a number of things that can be done to help the industry cope. The European Commission has launched a new initiative to promote sustainable textiles. The initiative aims to help the textile and apparel industry reduce its environmental impact and become more competitive. The initiative includes a number of measures, such as setting new standards for sustainable textiles, supporting the development of new technologies, promoting sustainable textiles to consumers. The EU's new initiative to promote sustainable textiles is a welcome development, as it will help the industry to reduce its environmental impact and compete in the global market. Consumers can support sustainable textiles by buying sustainable textiles, repairing and reusing textiles, and donating unwanted textiles. Bangladesh garment industry targets Brunei for exports, explores new markets. Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exporters Association, BGMEA, President Farooq Hassan highlights potential of high-value garment exports to Brunei during meeting with Brunei High Commissioner in Bangladesh Haji Haris bin Haji Othman. Both sides discuss increasing garment exports and agree that trade and investment opportunities will benefit both countries. The meeting is a positive development for the Bangladeshi garment industry, as it indicates that the industry is exploring new markets and seeking ways to expand its exports.
Textiles, which has been published since 2007, will always accompany your textile business with the latest information, data and accurate analysis.
The Indonesian Fiber and Filament Producers Association calls for stronger law enforcement to prevent illegal textile imports. The association's chairman, Redma Wirawasta, recognizes the government's positive move towards changing supervision methods, but emphasizes the need to enforce laws against unscrupulous individuals and illegal import mafias. Redma stresses the importance of deterring illegal importers to protect the domestic textile industry. Redma also urges stricter law enforcement based on trade map data to address the significant gap between China's exports to Indonesia and Indonesia's import records, which indicates the continued presence of illegal imports. The Indonesian government acknowledges the issue and is taking steps to combat it, but stricter enforcement is essential.
Thank you, Elena, for the highly valuable information. This report is based on the second week edition, October 2023, of the prestigious World Textiles Journal. We trust that the information presented can be a valuable reference for the growth of your business. We also extend our thanks to Textiles, the official representative of Ecotex, and Indotextiles.com, the Indonesia textile and apparel community reference, as our supportive partners. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. I am Daniel Finnegan, expressing my sincerest gratitude and eagerly anticipating our next meeting.